Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete the workplace from XPeng navigation. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and tap on the gear icon. Now in the gear icon, we want to swipe down um, to our workplace. Make sure that you're in the navigation as I've mentioned. Here we're gonna click on the pen icon, click on delete and click delete. So now your workplace will disappear from the settings. Here we have it, and as you guys can see, of course we can set it all up again. We got options to set the home and set the workplace, but we basically successfully deleted it. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.